let's see if we can get that deal done. Must be Mario.
Yes, sir.
Hey, I'm Craig. You gave me a call earlier today.
Yeah, how you doing?
Good to see you, man.
Come to look at the vet.
Yes, I am, man. We're excited about it.
Mike Phillips with What's in the Garage.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Mario Rastrelli.
Brought his crew with him a little bit, do some camera shooting.
Is that okay?
Yeah,
Okay
that'll
with
work. You know, that's good.
Okay.
That's cool.
Wow, what's this here?
Well, this is
69, huh?
This is my '69 Camaro.
Wow. That's a gorgeous car.
Got a 427, big block in it, 6-speed, all redone, all done up, ground up.
Yeah, this is awesome. I love the skulls on the paint.
Yeah, you like that? It's pretty nice, huh?
Yeah, pretty nice.
I don't know. I always have this thing about not knowing if it looks better with the hood down or the hood up.
Yeah.
Because I like the hood. The hood's my favorite part.
Yeah, that's nice. What's that off of?
That's off a '67 Vet, actually, all chopped. And
No, it's a gorgeous car. But where's this Corvette you talked about?
it's back here in the corner.
How long have you had the car?
Probably 20 years or better.
Really?
How long has it been sitting underneath this car cover?
Well, I ain't been running about 3 years, I'd say. 3 years or better. But it's been here for a long time.
Wow.
It's,
So it's been in the family?
Yep.
Wow, look at this. 66 Corvette.
Yeah.
Wow, what color interior you got?
Wow, look at this. This is a barn
Big
find.
block car?
It used to be a big block car, yeah.
You're kidding me.
No.
Oh my God. Why
in,
hasn't this car been worked on? Why are you driving this one around?
Well, because it was kind of like an heirloom thing, you know. I mean, I didn't really want to ruin it, you know. Fiberglass, I'm scared to death of fiberglass.
Yeah. Wow, it looks like
Unbelievable
it's in
car.
great shape.
It's got a teak wheel in it.
Yeah.
Power window car. 4-speed. What's under the hood?
I had a buddy of my mom's put a motor in it. I don't know where it came from. I think it came out of a boat.
It's a B&K Marine motor.
Yeah.
Looks like a Chris Craft engine. Look at the boat motor in this car. Oh my God.
Oh yeah, you could probably drive it home. But
Is the convertible top in good condition at all, you know, or is it rag top in it? There's not a hard top, is there?
No, I don't have the hard top for it.
I wonder if this is a color code matching car. Is this like original black car versus the interior? Is
You know, it was black
interior?
since the day I known it was black. It's
Really?
always been black.
I'll tell you what, the way it sits now, I'd offer you 20 grand for it.
Yeah, that's not exactly what I was looking to get for it, because, you know, like I said, it used to be my mom's. Really,
Sentimental value.
yeah. Not only that, but the car is worth that. You know, worth more. Just the way it sits.
I'm really interested. How about 25 grand cash? I'll take the car home with me.
Getting closer.
I am? Geez, how close do I got to get to that? I mean, give me some range here. Like, how about another grand? I'm really
Getting
interested in the
closer.
car. I'm kind of close to the car, but if it didn't have the boat motor in it, I'd be really excited. But if it was a matching number car, which this car is not that. So how about 26.5 is my last offer. I got to walk from the car. I mean, that's where I got to go. If they had the original engine, I'd be real excited. You consider that at all?
Cash in hand.
I'd like to take it. I'm gonna have to redo
Tell
the
you
whole
what,
car, lift it up.
You're not gonna have to redo the whole car, because you know, you see what I do here. I know what it's gonna take.
All right. You're not in 26.5.
Just getting close, though. You're getting real close.
You're killing me with this thing.
I
I got a boat motor. I got a Chris Craft engine in a Corvette here.
Well, I could take that out. You don't want the motor? I got a motor
Sure.
for
All
it.
right,
if you
make
want
it
a motor.
27 grand and I'm done.
Okay,
That fair enough?
that'll work. You're close.
That's
Thanks
a
an
magic
awful lot. I
number.
appreciate it. I really mean
All
that.
right,
Hey, it's
good
fun watching
deal.
you
Thank
go.
I'm
you.
gonna actually get this car in the right shape again, and
Thank you
hopefully,
very much. You know, if you're interested, I got the numbers matching motor to go with this car.
what?
And now the other shoe drops.
You got to be kidding me.
Happen to be sitting over there and
Why didn't you tell me that to start with?
Well, you know, it's not put together.
Put it all back to stock and original then.
Yeah, it could all be, you know, but
Wow, numbers matching Corvette.
you know,
So if I buy that, if you warranty that motor, if I, you know, should I have cracked block? There's nothing going on with that like
I'll
that?
take it to my
Dynamite?
guy at Blockhead Machine over there. He knows everything there is to know about this motor right here. You know, I mean, as far as small block, big
Do you have
block.
any other parts to the motor than what's there right
I
now?
got the heads, I've got the crank, I got the rods, I got even the stock pistons.
I'll
for
pay
the-
$5 grand for it. It's a done deal.
Okay, with the.
So now we're up to 24 grand.
Okay.
I'm only joking.
Ah,
I'll give you 5 for this and 27 for the vet.
okay,
Is that fair enough?
that's fair enough.
Oh, excuse me a second, my phone's ringing. Craig Danzig, Blue Marlin Motors, can I help you? Yes. Yes, I do. Yeah. How many cars is there? 27 cars. That's awesome. I'd love to go look at those today. Can you go, Mike?
I can go.
Would you like to check it out?
Let's
Do
do
you
it.
mind if I bring some friends and look at it? Sure. Okay, thank you very much. We're on our way over. We'll be there about in a half hour. Thank you.
What is this?
It's 27 cars in a garage. It's basically an estate sale, so they want to sell the cars and get them done.
Pretty cool cars.
Awesome, 57 Chevys. She said there's over 20 convertibles there.
Oh, incredible.
So I'm like, hey man, let's get this going.
Let's
I'm
do it.
excited about
I
that.
want to go.
You want
I
to
got
go?
cash now to spend.
Hey, while they're finishing up their deal, we're going to go to break. Join us as we check out this car
Thanks a lot,
collection.
man. I appreciate it.